Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to talk about customary units of weight. Yesterday we talked about customary units of length, so we were measuring how long something is. We use things like inches, feet, and yards. But today with weight, we're going to focus on three different units to measure how heavy something is. So we're going to focus on our smallest unit, which is ounces, our middle unit, which is pounds, and then our very large unit, which is going to be tons. Let's take a look at the first problem. Using my conversion chart, which you guys have in your Chapter 12 resources, I found that 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. Now, in your journals, you might see it written like this, 1 lb. lb stands for pounds. When you're writing lb, you want to write it as a lowercase l and a lowercase b. And then you'll see 16 oz. It's a lowercase o and a lowercase z, and that stands for ounces. So sometimes you could write it like 1 pound, or you can write it as 1 pound this way. Same thing here, 16 ounces or 16 ounces. They mean the same thing. Again, this conversion is given to you in your conversion chart. So if we take a look at our first problem here, 2 pounds equals how many ounces? Just like yesterday, where we used a T-chart, we can still use that strategy again today. But this time, our relationship is going to be 1 compared to 16. So on this side, I'm going to write lb for pounds, and on this side, I'm going to put oz for ounces. Remember, for every pound, we have to make sure we have 16 ounces over here. So 1 pound is 16 ounces. So if I have 2 pounds, that means I have 2 groups of 16. So that is 16 plus 16, or 16 times 2. So I'm going to use repeated addition to solve this one. I know that 6 plus 6 is 12. I carry the 1, and then 1, 2, 3. So that tells me that 2 pounds is equal to 32 ounces. Let's try one more. Remember the relationship, 1 pound equals 16 ounces. So this time I have 4 pounds and I want to know how many ounces that is. So I'm going to use my T-chart again. Pounds, ounces. Remember, 1 pound is 16 ounces. We need 16 ounces because ounces are really small. It's a very small amount, where pounds are bigger. They're 16 times bigger. So you need 16 of these to equal 1 of these. 2 pounds, we talked about before, was 32 ounces because we had 2 groups of 16. 3 pounds would be 3 groups of 16. So it'd be 16 plus 16 plus 16, or 16 times 3. I know that 6 plus 6 plus 6 is 18. And if I add up 1, 2, 3, 4, I have a 4 in the tens place, which gives me 48 ounces. But I need 4 pounds, not 3 pounds. So I need one more group of 16. So if you look, to solve for 4 pounds, I've added 16 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see, 8 plus 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 4, 5, 6. So it looks like 4 pounds is the same thing as 64 ounces.